Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super tall 9 feet umbrella that this brand sent to me for this video. You can see that comes with the strap. You can see that comes with a really big shade over here, and this thing is gonna be about 100 inches tall. So that's actually pretty tall. You can see how it's so tall that I had to put like the wide angle on my phone, but then it's gonna be 9 feet. And then this one does not come with a base. Doesn't come with a base, this one. So you will have to get your own base or your own hole in the ground or things like that to put it. So it's the universal one for sure. Things that I like about this one. So how easy it is to use. You're gonna find that, as I was just telling you before, you're gonna put this ones right here and just like this, and you can put the strap and that's gonna be it. But then you're gonna find this one right here. It has, check this out. It has the crank, so you can keep cranking this one, and once that you get under, you can just keep doing this. You will not have to do anything else, just this over here. But the best thing will be to do it just right before extending all the poles. So once you're done, you go up, which is gonna be clockwise, and you're all set. Let me show you something else. So big shade over here. I do like it. Again, super easy to use with the crank up and down, both of these ones. Also comes with, you can separate this one if you want, just like this, in case that you needed to put it like in a storage or something like that. So take that into account. And then you have a button over here. Once that you press this button, you can tilt it, which I think it is really cool because, you know, sometimes this one can be right here and I want shade on my pool. So I do this, go to the side, and that's gonna give me shade over there. But if I'm sitting over there, I just do this and I don't have to move the whole thing. And it has a lock, so you're gonna hear a click. Once that it clicks, it is done. And again, one more time, once you're done, what you can do is you can go down just like this. Make sure that you don't get inside. Once that you get inside, you can either strap it just like it is, just like this. You can strap it just like this, or you can fold those ones again and make it a little bit more better for storage. Like you said, if I was just like something that you don't have too much room, you can fold it and just separate the whole thing in 2 or 3 parts, and that's gonna be it. I like it. Super easy to operate. Big one, almost 100 inches tall, a 9 feet shade, and of course it's gonna be a tall one as well, with the tilt and everything ready for you to give shade to multiple places at once. I like it. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.